In this video, we will be learning about the buy window. On the right side of the buy window, you'll find the following tabs: Finance, Gross Profit/Other, Fees and Taxes, Vehicle, and Payment Schedule. Note, Payment Schedule will be grayed out and inaccessible unless you live in Wisconsin. The Finance tab is your main view in the buy window. The upper portion of it is where you can find the drop-down menu for various payment types: monthly, semi-monthly, annual, cash deal, and so on. Your default can be whatever you wish. Just know that if it needs to be changed quickly, this is where to do it. Just below the payment type are 4 payment structure columns. The one on the far left is your current selection. The 3 to the right are alternative scenarios, or the spread. You have the option to enter the lender here by going into Edit mode and clicking the drop-down arrow to the right of the lender field and choosing the proper bank. Cash down, term, and rate can also be modified here. These can be done not only for your current selection, but your 3 additional choices as well. LightYear will immediately update the payment below the column so you're able to compare and contrast multiple possibilities. If the guest feels like one of the alternatives will suit their needs better than the current selection, while in edit mode, you can choose another payment structure by clicking the header labeled Select above the new spread choice. This selection will trade places with your current selection, making it the updated deal structure. The Gross Profit Other tab displays a breakdown of the deal gross profit by department, and also one of the 2 places you can enter or override the F&I reserve calculation. The deal transaction screen is the other. We'll address that in another video. The Fees and Taxes tab is where you can view a list of all applicable fees and taxes on the deal, to include any bank, loan processing fees, and so on. These too can be modified if need be. The Vehicle tab is a summary of vehicle information and all open ROs and POs posted to stock number, open and/or closed. Note, the vehicle cost is immediately and automatically updated once ROs and POs are posted in accounting. If a vehicle has open documents, in the upper left-hand corner of the buy screen, you will see a very attention-grabbing red bar with a note written in it explaining so. You're then able to view the summary of ROs and POs by clicking the Vehicle tab, which is also read when work in progress is present. You can see the detail of the document by double-clicking the line item. Congratulations! You have successfully learned about the buy window.